Today, they're going to seal their vows. They're going to promise to each other that they will love each other.
Lagi mo isuot, loves, para matuwa ako sa'yo. Oh my God. Ano laman ito? Ito na.
Hello, loves. Ang laki, di ba? Siyempre, ganyan ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Kaya yan ang gift ko sa'yo. Gusto ko ako lang ang dahilan ng pagpapaganda mo. I love you. Sana magustuhan mo, loves. Ay, pagpapaganda. My beloved Marcel, from the moment I met you, my heart knew it had found its home. Today, as I stand before you and our loved ones, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for the privilege of becoming your wife.
Bilang iyong asawa, ipinapangako ko na nagagawin ko ang lahat upang maging mabuting asawa sa iyo. Sarap ng Diyos at ng ating mga mahal sa buhay.
In your presence, I feel seen, heard, and deeply loved. I promise to nurture and protect the sacred bond we share, to laugh with you in times of joy, and to hold you close in times of sorrow.
Are ready to give up your life, susundin mo kahit na hindi ka, unahin mo muna yung happiness of your partner. Isantabi mo muna yung happiness mo. Kasi when you see your partner's happy, maaaring ang dugtungan mo pa yung buhay ng partner mo para mabuhay siya. Kahit na ikaw mawala ang buhay mo. That's marriage. That's happiness. Nang sinagsayong kutis na kayo manggiusan ba ako dinadala? Bawat ngiting biglang nabura iyong naipinta. Iwagan mo yung tingin ng naalipin kahit saan man madala. Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y pa iikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan, may dumadapaw.
Myra May, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes,
Marcel, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children of God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Di mawawala.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ako'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Means values, the good things, the values that your parents imbibe in you, so yun ipapasa nyo. Pasa-pasa lang yan ang magagandang katangian. And when people see your children, ay nagmana yan kay Marcel at Myra May and to their parents, no? You will be proud because they are your children. Nakatingin sa iyong nakatingin.